Hi, I'm Dr. Marcos, Orthopedic Surgeon specialized in hip and knee replacement at Ortho Westmount. If this is your first visit with me, here's a few things to expect. So I start with first discussing your main issue and problem and the complaint you're coming for. We'll try to know more about your symptoms, what would make it worse, what make it better, what kind of treatment you had until that point, how is it affecting also your activities, your daily life, and what do you expect from me at that point, and what would you like to have. And I also go a bit into your medical history. Following that, we'll proceed to the physical exam. We'll examine the affected joint and determine what the problem can be. And finally, we go ahead and look at the x-rays together, or the images we have. After that, the treatment is done as a discussion between both of us. It's a partnership, so it will depend on your goals and what your expectations are. And usually we'll discuss either the surgical treatment or other treatment that's not including surgery. So by the end of the consultation, you have got all your questions answered. You understand the issue they have. You have understand all the treatment that's available for you, how I can help you to get back to your normal life, your daily activities, to do what you love, pain-free. If you have any question, I'll be more than happy to answer you, and then we'll move forward from there.